Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a Pinterest ad for your Etsy listing. So let's get right into it. Now, while you can't directly add your listing to Pinterest, you can promote it through Pinterest ads for Etsy, which you can easily set up. I'll be using this WebFX article to help you guys with actually setting it up because I don't have access to my Etsy shop manager, which is needed for this, and I am having difficulties setting up a Pinterest profile as well. So I hope you guys understand. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set up your Pinterest profile. You're going to need to claim your Etsy shop through your Pinterest profile and set up the boards with the pinned content. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to set up a business profile. Just go on to Pinterest business site, which is business.pinterest.com, and you'll be able to sign up for an account. And once you do, just make sure you fill it out completely. Make sure it's in the same style and vibe as your Etsy shop. And once you're done with that, you will be able to actually have that page, which you can then connect to Etsy. This is simply because you need it to be the same vibe or the same aesthetics wise, simply for people to identify it as the same shop. Or if you want, you can make it different and it'll be a link on your Etsy store, which is kind of defeating the purpose, but it is what it is. Now, once you do, you just need to claim your Etsy store. Just go into the three dots on Pinterest, go into edit settings, and then go into claim, select the option to claim your Etsy website, log in, and your site will be claimed. And once you're done with that, then you can create a Pinterest board and pin content. You can literally create a board however much you would like. Just manually create a board for whichever sort of product you're selling. And once you do, just add all the pictures and everything that will pretty much advertise it for you on Pinterest, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, there's nothing else to add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another